I swear down, mate. I swear down. It's so loud, mate. Alright. Hey traders, good evening. This is like the latest stream of all time, maybe. You know, definitely here in London, up in the sky, very, very high up, just like the index funds are from their COVID crash lows. So we got that in common. But yeah, very unexpected. I didn't expect to do it. I even took a melatonin as I was about to go to bed, but then I was like, you know what? I asked a question. And I got the green light, and I'm live now. Just for a minute, we're gonna do some updates, and I'll be out of here. Maybe private the stream, whatever. Okay, it's alright. We've been out late tonight, and yeah, it is 3 a.m. and I gotta like wake up tomorrow. I gotta wake up tomorrow, and I got to we're gonna do some sightseeing with the Liverpudlians over here. Alright. Alright, so Bitcoin, well, this is Ethereum. Bitcoin up 0.06% on the day, mate. And, yeah, it's like done nothing, dude. Like, literally, nothing's changed. But I fear tomorrow things are going to change, at least for equities. I don't know about Bitcoin. And if you were asking, if you're wondering about the shirt, the Ripple shirt, no, I'm not shilling, but you know, a member of this community works at Ripple Labs in Iceland, and he's over here visiting the Ripple London campus with several of his cohorts. And you know, we hung out with them tonight. You know, one had dinner with us, and then we met the other ones out for drinks, and we're gonna get a little tour of Ripple tomorrow, and I think that'll be interesting and fun. So I'm not slurring my words, dude. I'm not even that drunk. I'm only like, dude, you know, we obviously drank some beers, mate, but we down here in London, mate. We're gonna do that, mate. So yeah, not shilling. It's just there, and believe me, they know the price. They know what's going off of my helicopter. So has Bitcoin made a higher high yet? Nope, it just made a lower high than previous, a lower high than previous high, lower low than previous low. You're not done anything. You're not worth a crap yet. But yeah, certainly outperforming the index funds, but still pathetic. Like literally pathetic, dude. Yeah, it's almost like, why would you go live? It's almost the most masochist thing you could ever do, to be going live on a Thursday at 3 a.m. and, well, it's Friday now, 3 a.m. in London, mate. With the price action the way it is, I can't believe myself. I'm literally beside myself. I don't know, man. It's crazy. So get wrecked, because nothing's happened. You know, hey, nice. It's crazy, man. It's like, what are you doing? Like, are you gonna make positive momentum and then rally here? You know, in bullish divergence. Did they talk? Yeah, but I don't know if I should say anything about it, because I don't know if you want to hear it, DK. Yeah, they did talk about the ongoing case. Yeah. Well, yeah, I don't know what I should say. I don't know if I'm allowed to. I don't know if I should. Yeah, melatonin, God. I don't know. Daily, still, hey, I don't like Bitcoin below 40,665, but I do like the way the MACD looks. But I hate equities. I think equities are effed. I think we all understood that there was a recession. We said it here. It's like, we're in a recession. They're just not going to tell you till it's too late. And what happened today? GDP, major surprise, negative GDP reported. You get one more of those, then they can confirm it. But by then, the equities markets are much lower prices, get wrecked, So we're already making lower highs, lower lows. Okay, there's no more liquidity. I don't know where the liquidity is going to come from that would push the price of these markets higher, and that's just really tough for Bitcoin and crypto. But yes, they are better. They're like better performers than equities. That's true. Oh my God. Here's Ethereum, mate. There you go, mate. I swear down. Ethereum's above 2,900, and that's okay. I swear down that you're making the high levels of negative momentum, and you're losing it, but it's still a lot of negative momentum here, man. So I just the confidence is just how can Ethereum rally? How can Bitcoin rally when we know the equities are effed? Most likely, dude. Amazon, like worst earnings in like a decade, right? It was awful. It was terrible, down like 10%. And then we thought Apple might save the day, and no. What else happened today? DXY, the United States dollar, hit a 20-year high. If you're in the Discord, you were pinged seconds as it happened. I haven't really exceeded beyond that, but that happened, man. That happened today, and that's crazy. And you've got all the U.S. dollar pairs devastated, hitting 20-year lows, of course, right? Most of them anyway, not all of them. And it's bad, man. Like these are just underlying variables occurring that should alarm you. These are like red flag, red alert, really bad things are happening. This isn't a good thing, Larry. My God. Not good things. So just add more. Currency's collapsing, How weird is it that the ruble is higher than it was pre-invasion? West really thought they had it, didn't they? They thought canceling Russia was going to work, and it is now. Look what's happened. Energy dependent Europe now they're in recession for sure. I mean, like, oh yeah, we got to have 2 quarters. It's happening. It will happen. It's like certain, dude. Okay, so we got like a European recession going on, and yeah, man, just these are rough times, dude. Really rough times. But yeah, somehow Ethereum and Bitcoin are making higher lows. Somehow BNB making a higher low. Still fine for now. It's maybe what could happen is like the index funds bounce off these supports that they haven't broken yet, and that's good for crypto, and they rally. But dude, it's just like, well, we're staring into the abyss. Okay, so we look at Bitcoin, we look at Ethereum, look at BNB, and we can look at Sol. They're just like nothing's changed, dude. It's just like it's the same picture, it's the same live stream. Same live stream, dude. I mean, same charts. Everything's the same, dude. Wow. Sol and then XRP or Ripple, Kappa. Just screwed, dude. Screwed. All right. I mean, you've confirmed distribution. You're going to 58 cents. Once you break 58 cents, then you are going to 24, 25 cents most likely. I don't know, man. There's like some peaks. You could be going to 33 cents, but dude, you break 58 cents, it's over, dude. This is going to be a really bad time. Extremely bad time, dude. I don't see how index funds collapse and XRP doesn't break 58 cents. It's going to happen, This is the first time in history I've ever worn my glasses too in Europe. In all of Europe, I worn them all the time, and I pulled them out today for this stream specifically. Okay, because I can't even see straight right now because I'm so tired. I just don't. I mean, it's just not prudent being long here. Like, it's just really not. I mean, there are times to make money, times not to lose money. With all these variables going on, my God, I just don't know how it makes much sense to be. I mean, it's great. It'd be great to be conservative right now. There's nothing wrong being conservative. Oh, you missed a pump, dude. Pump's going to be a lower high and dump and roll over for equities. Hard to attest for what's going to happen with crypto because it's whack. Okay, XRP, and then Luna, which, did it move? I don't think so, dude. Not Luna just sitting there, dude. I don't know, look, it's fine. It's like better than most other things, but still not making our eyes like the high, then the highest side and the lower high. Oh my god, you know, are you head and shouldering here? Confirming it's on one top, two tops. I think it's okay to be conservative, man. It's okay to be conservative with all these bad things happening in the world. It's really bad. Yep. So, do you hear me? It is okay to be prudent. It is okay. It's been okay to own the US dollar, obviously, right? Yeah, that's not a bad thing. A little bit of US dollar in your pocket, dude, right? Yep. It's okay to protect yourself in these crazy times. DXY, and you can look at the euro. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Right, look at this thing. It's at a critical ice line in 2015. 2017. Here it is. You're just sitting there. No bids, really. You're just hanging out. It's not really good. It's not good, man. Alright. Fine like a fruit fly is fine. Oh, look left, man. Look, listen. Holy crap, dude. 101 after, and then 96 cents after that. It's so bad. Then you Japanese yen. There it is, dude. There we always been watch, mate. Oh my god. It's a good order, bud. Shoot, dude. They probably have anti-sweeping technology, dude. They're so like pro at it.
Quarter tipped $108.14. London, where you're always being watched. Did you sweep your room for bugs yet? Lol. 0.037000088.
I'm telling you, man, they probably have anti-sweeping technology. You know, they're not. They know people are gonna be sweeping, so they have stealth sweepers or something, dude. You know what I'm saying? Back me up on that. I'll tell you one thing, you know, the yen's screwed, crypto hoarder, and why don't we, since we're talking about London, mate, I want to talk about Great Britain, mate. I'll come on. So okay, mate. I think you're going down to 121. Right, nothing really I don't know why it would really pivot here. It's terrible. There's no edge. It's awful. It's like lowest RSI since. Here's the COVID crash lows. You know what I'm saying, man? Highest level negative memo since August 2020. And here it is, you know. Arrived in the UK and devastated. I mean, what's the percentage? Probably not much, right? What was it, the 19th? 20. Let's just say the 20th. I got down 5% in 9 days on a currency. That's pretty effed. But dude, just think about, like, man, you know, like since May of last year, currency pair down friggin' like almost 13%. That is terrible. What's going on, man? Real bad. Real bad. Do we got the ruble, man? Let's do the ruble to the Great Britain pound or something. Do we have that? I don't think I ever looked at this one. Oh my god, here it is. Oh, hey, look, man. We're going to cancel Russia, chat. We're going to cancel Russia, and that didn't work at all. I mean, the Russian ruble to the Great Britain pound is at its highest level since July 2020. What say you? What say you, chat? Is there a supply line here? You didn't even... Yeah, you got a supply line there. You got to break that, man. Probably, and it won't be me. It won't be because of me, Crypto Tiger. This is DXY. It's time to come home, dude. It's just time. Like, DXY is so high. You just can't be surprised. Any day, it dumps 5+%, you know? And everything kind of starts going back to not so psycho. This is crazy times, okay? I have never been this tired before in my entire life streaming, ever. This is a record. Oh my god. And I'm in London, mate. I don't know, man. It's just sometimes you got to do it for the peoples. You know, you got to do it for the peoples. You just got to be there Just talk about it. It's just charts, man. It's just what we love. It's just what we all love, you know. Screw it all, dude. We're gonna look at it. So these currency pairs are really kind of talk of the town, but you know, we can switch over to the S&P 500, mate. And yes, you did catch a pretty awesome rally, but it could be short-lived tomorrow with Amazon getting devastated. Yeah, man, it could be time. It could be, oh, we're going to rally again. We're going to double bottom. We're going to rally at 4,500 again. I hope so, man. Man, I always hope for higher prices because I truly care about, like, you know, everyone's retirement accounts and number go up stuff, right? But we'll see. I just don't think it, you know, tomorrow at least open's not going to be good. You know, open's going to be, bam, not good. And then maybe it rallies after that. But, yeah, you're still holding on. You fell below, but so you did that before. You did that in February and March, and then you broke back above, and everything was fine for a little while. You're trying to do it again. But really, you just actually tested the low from October as resistance, and that's about it. At a closer. I can do this as fast as I can, man. I'm sorry, dude. I have never been this tired. Dow Jones, look at this, man. Look how incredible it is it not? It was over. You bearish Mara bazooed April 26th, then indecision, and now look at you now, Larry. Wow. You held, dude. You actually held. Is it going to inverse head and shoulders? We need more data, you know. If you want an inverse head and shoulders, you got to break the neckline, which is way up at like 35.1. Yeah, dude. I hope it holds, dude. I pray it does. You know, all these lower highs, lower lows. It looks just like '08. That's it, dude. That's it, dude. So, higher low still. Yeah, man, it's like a cipher of some sort. Yeah. I don't know, man. Just gotta remain cautious. You gotta remain cautious, man. All right. Yeah, dude. But great how it held, man. All hope was lost, and you got to bounce. But the next step, if you really want good things to happen, is to make a higher high than your previous highs, and that's a long way off, man. All right. That's it. Your DJI, and then your Nasdaq Composite. Here we go. A nice little rally at the end of the day, but that's going to be short-lived, up 3%, but it's just not good, man. All right, where you got lower highs, lower lows. Right. The Momo shifted bearishly, and they're still a long way down, or at least some way down. So, great rally at the end of the day. But no edge, no real edge per se, right? Yeah, it'll rally and it'll probably just make a lower high than the previous highs and roll over again and make a lower low. If this is really a bear market, okay. QQQ. This is a QQQ. Wow, dude, unbelievable, right? Wait, it's a support. It's been there. It's the 38% retrace from the COVID crash low. You rallied off of it. Congrats, man. Maybe you go to 338 next, but I don't know. Like tomorrow, the open, it's not going to be good. We know for a fact tomorrow open will be awful, but at least maybe it'll rally anyway, you know? That's it, dude. That's it, man. Okay. So Q's and then the rest of 2000. Hey, man, we rallied, dude. We did it, bud. We did it. We're gonna be kings. Now this one's a little more gross, where it is still bearish, right? It's still like below. It's back testing January 5th, 2021's highs resistance, and the bear flag. Haven't tested it yet, but no edge. Nothing bullish about this quite yet. I hope it rallies, man. But that's just hoping, man. Qualcomm on the daily, man. We'll go right now. Yeah. I don't have any soundboards, so oh crap! I forgot. I had Chaylin make this, dude.
Crypto_hoarder tipped $105.11. QCOM daily, please. 0.036000088.
You know what? Why don't we do it with this sound clip? All right, you listen here. All right. Thank you so much for the 213.25 on a day, man. All right, here it is.
Technology. What is that all about? Is it good or is it whack?
That's a good question. Allergy, that's a good question. Well, look at Qualcomm with your technology. Is it good or is it whack? Here it is, man. Wow, what an 886, man. What an 8. I hadn't been here in a while, right? But what an 886. Look, man, the fibs from the low to the high. 886 like the Jesus, and what a pop. What a reaction. That's definitely what you call a reaction. Can't really say so much divergence. I guess maybe some on the way down on the MACD histogram. Yeah, give me your best LAG quotes. Send them in my inbox in Discord in my DM. Get them to me. Maybe I'll play them on stream. Maybe I'll put them on the soundboard when I get back to the States, mate. Nice, man. That was nice. Nice 886, dude. You know what happens to the 886 layer? Was it earnings? It was earnings, man. It was the earnings. It's really much of a structure. I mean, besides the M shape. Right, it's the M shape. 50%, and then, dude, it's a perfect bat. Literal perfect bat. Wow, look at what's happening right now? Hello? Is that you, Jesus? I mean, we are pretty close to heaven right now, how high up we are, but thanks so much for the hidden Jesus chimes. It's like hidden divergence, but hidden Jesus chimes. Thanks, you dude. Thank you, dude. All right. Whew. Oh, you bought a mug? Will G, thanks so much, dude. Thank you, man, for the merch perch. How beautiful, dude. Scott Carney, be proud on the reaction. Yeah, I'm at.
Hey, Mitch. Hope you're enjoying your trip. Cheers.
Tarnak, man. Tarnak the Great. Thank you so much for the 1602 super chat, mate. I swear down. I swear down. I appreciate it, mate. So, I just don't know. I mean, you did break a resistance from April 23rd that we have there, and maybe you could go to 167. It's just... It's actually a pretty sick trend, a higher high. Most recent event, you just made a higher low and a full reset. It's all about the index funds, I think, though, man. Up 10%. You killed it, dude. You literally killed it. I'd like to see it get above the 200-day moving average again. That's one thing that's alarming. I would say that there's limited upside. Probably based on the fact that it's just been running. You know, and it's going to... It's gonna do what the Qs do eventually. I mean, the Qs did that too, but this pumped a little bit higher. It was a little bit stronger, but certainly a great job identifying a bullish bat pattern and catching a reaction there. I wonder though. I don't think that's I think that gap will fill eventually. It's not a breakaway gap by any means. It's nice, somewhat okay volume. Above 145, you're all right. Just be careful out there, man. This is a risk-on asset like many others, you know. But, I don't know. It's probably Qualcomm and IBM probably a little bit more defensive than some others out there, you know, like NVIDIA and AMD. AMD, I think, is going much lower. I think NVIDIA is going to go somewhat lower too, dude. You know what I'm saying? But we got to look at it, man. We got to look at Amazon to show you, like, kind of what's happened, man. It was nuts. It was like, oh, we were going to do it. We were going to do it. We were going to rule the world. And then we couldn't rule the world. And I think you're down at, like, 2,600. Yeah. I mean, currently where Amazon is after hours is at, like, your lowest price since June of 2020. It's been a long time, man. It's been a long time since you've been this low on price. Again, like, worst numbers since... a decade, right? And really the downside potential could take you to 2,000, right? Kind of a, I mean, there's a little support from April around 2,500, 2,460, but this will drive the market at least at open tomorrow. So buckle up, get your popcorn out. Okay, that's your Amazon. Then Apple reported too, had pretty good numbers. It was okay. I don't know why it's not showing like the after hour stuff now. It was, but dude, this one's so incredible, dude. It's just so nuts, like how it just makes higher lows. Now I don't like the highest high of all time, then a lower high, then the same lower high, like confirmation high. but you're not making lower lows yet, and you're still above your 200-day moving average. But I think it didn't have a good. It was good at first, then they had their conference call, and that's when things started dumping again. Yeah, so 2 market drivers not having good price actions, never really good. It's terrible for tech. But yeah, what a trend! What a friggin' trend, dude! The king of kings, the trend of trends. Here you go, Apple, man, it's beautiful. What a beast. Total coin, dude. Total, man, I haven't been total since I've been here, man. I can't believe it. I like totals. Total's still hanging in there, man. Look at that, dude. It's trying to show that hidden bullish divergence. And it's trying to hold, man. You know, 1.72, 1.78. I know totals. Crypto hoarder, can you do it better than me? I like totals. Thanks, Jonathan. Ha ha ha. Thanks, Jonathan. Whatever the reporter lady says about the totals. Total market cap. If you don't know, dude. If you don't understand what I'm saying to you. Oh, man. What's happening here, dude? I like totals. That was pretty good, Crypto Hoarder. That wasn't bad, but you got to throw the turtle emojis in there, you know? You can't just be like, I like totals in all caps. It got to be the totals, man. Then I shall say you have won the day. Alright, so give me some more emojis in there. CCTV hype. Hey, Mom, I'm on camera. There it is. It's right there, man. That's pretty cool, though. They're watching me from multiple angles, you know?
CCTV hype 0.025000000 ETH.
Dude, thanks for the 286.18 on the day, mate. Thank you, man. And thanks for reminding me. Well, I'm not going to be doing anything naughty in here, okay? Rest assured, I won't be doing anything naughty until I get back to the States, alright? Yeah, dude. So let's say we're okay for now. You're fine like a fruit fly until you break below 171 trillion. You're right, dude. Oh my God, I've never been this tired in my entire life streaming. I want to cry right now. I'm so dead. I'm so dead, dude. What happened today, man? What happened today? Hex was only up 2.8%. Well, chat. We got to go to Hex because the disbelievers. I'm sorry, man. I don't care what kind of people are going to come out of the woodworks when we look at this, but this is an asset that's been doing things. It's now at a critical resistance of some sort. Anyway, 15 cents. You break that. Do you understand? Spring back. There's an active trade set up. That's all I can tell you, man. No, I do not need a visa to visit the UK. God, no. That would kill the tourism. If that had to be the case, right? But, yeah, man, Hex the King. I can't believe it, man. It's so good, man. It's so freaking good, man. There could be glory upon you. Remember what Hex did when Bitcoin collapsed, right? Remember what Bitcoin went through a bear market or just a crap dump market? It wasn't pretty much a midterm downturn for a long time. And Hex didn't care. Hex rallied, and that's looking like it was going to happen again, maybe. You know? I mean, for real, dude. It's just kind of like the way it is. KNC is like the US dollar. It's godlike right now, isn't it? 1414, hanging out at its highest, near its highest levels of all time. Very close. January 2018, you will test it. I bet you money you will. Something's really weird if you don't. Market participants don't go test $5.98 to $6. It's gonna happen, dude. Yep, unreal. KNC was the one, wasn't it? Yes, it was. How about 0-2 over here, man? 0-T is okay. It's still hanging in there at the most incredible levels of all time for itself, for its own chart. It's crazy, man. It's freaking crazy. Could it hold? Will we rise? We might, man. We might. We're going all over the place, man. How about XMR? How about Monero? Monero that hit 2 or 3 targets of the trade setup. and it's pulled back, that's okay, because at some point it's going to make hidden bullish divergence, stay above the 200 moving average, it's going to rally to 283, it's going to break it, it's going to go to the moon, man. The Russians are buying. The Russians and the Chinese. Oh my. Yeah, dude. They all like them privacy coins. And these are just gainers on the day, man. Alright. Okay. Y'all see MoneyGram? MoneyGram broke the support. It was hilarious. But then it didn't. And then it rallied to close above it. Oh my god. I think this thing was gonna dump. It was like a 786, 886. Gonna go to fill that gap 912. Man, what does this thing always do? It makes 618s, 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 and dumps. I think it's doing it again. Sorry, dude. I'm all over the place, man. Yeah, 618 again, dude. It's just like we're just seeing history would repeat itself again. All right. Remember that time something Ripple, XRP, and MoneyGram, and not anymore. Yeah, I remember. There you go, dude. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What happened, Cardano? We're just going around, man. This is like me just wandering around the markets like aimlessly. I'm sleepwalking, okay? So, Cardano looks like it's, you know, once it breaks support at 79 cents, it's going to 38 cents, and then you're screwed. And then you're just screwed. Alright. It doesn't look like there's much hope left for this one. But it's not dead yet. God, it's not dead yet. How about basic attention token? It looks like it's dead. I mean, to me at this point, it's so close. I think it's literally, it is. You're at the point in the movie where it is over for the good guys. It is over for Bat in the movie, right? That's it, dude. The works have breached Helm's Deep. That's it, dude. And Gandalf may not come in real life for Bat. I mean, if it doesn't hold here, then 47 cents. If it holds, oh my god, it'll be a effing Christmas miracle, and it's freaking April. That'll be May. Bitcoin Cash. Miracle or death. You're close. It's doom or glory levels, man. I know Hoskinson's son, Hoskinson's daughters, Hoskin, everyone in the family needs to be talked down, because it's trying, troubling times. Ethereum Classic, man, it's not dead yet. Gerald T. Getting close to death, but not dead yet. It's unbelievable. Just wait for a big equity dump, and they will all be dead. Doge, it's not dead yet, but dude, equity dump, it's over. So close, man. Something that's awesome was ENS. ENS was like different. ENS is a trade setup that actually, like, it's unreal. It actually held. Look at this thing. But yeah, it's pulling back, and it's probably screwed. It's probably screwed if Bitcoin is screwed, right? I go all day, man, but I can't. Actually, I literally can't go all day. I'm trying everything I can, man. All my powers, all my skills, right now. Here it is. You could go lower on X11. You could afford more losses on this one and still be okay. Teslas, I think you're screwed. I think it's pretty much almost done. You know, like, yeah, demand line from friggin' January 2019, pre-COVID levels, but fruit fly is a fruit fly, dude. V-chain's a fruit fly. It's okay. It's not dead yet, but it's below critical supports. Storage. It's technically fine. Like a fruit fly is fine. It maybe makes a higher low again and moons, but you know what I'm saying? You get the point. Like, we haven't got wrecked yet. We're so close to getting wrecked, but it's just not happened. You can't say it's wrecked until it actually literally makes the lower low. That's it. They haven't done it yet. Engine coin, yeah, pretty screwed, dude. I mean, this is like more screwed than others. You know, it's like at the same low, not making a higher low. It's it's indubitable that it's not making a higher low now. Like, right, a lower high and then the same low, and could be going for the lower low, and it could continue to sell off, and it sucks. It's over, dude. You know, it's bad. Yeah, just not digging. I mean, this one, it's not good. All day, man. All day comp. It's not dead yet. It's fine like a fruit fly. It's fine. But most shifts still there, still above 110. Until you break 110, you're okay. Do you hear what I say? All day. Zcash, man. Zcash, sorry, dude. That is a bad. You've upthrusted. You have now back tested the upthrust. That's bearish. That's like flipping the chart over. You're springing. You're back testing the springer. I got the Muna and the Juna and the them, okay, and the Get Rex. Bearish and golden candle confirmed. This looks like there could be a lot more downside. I mean, you can go to $87 if you respect the trend. Bullet 200-day moving average, man. Not good. Not looking good on Zcash, though it had been outperforming most assets lately. Truncanex actually okay. It looks like low, the higher low, but not the higher high yet. It's okay. It's actually not. That's actually better than H bar. It's unbelievable that it's actually kind of okay here. Still, it's not dead yet. And that's all I can do, man. 40 minutes I could make. I tried, dude. I did all I could, chat. 40 minutes, you know, speed running some of these S coins. Once I got more energy, I'll be able to speed run them all, dude. I'll speed run them all. Next time I go live, it's gonna be tougher tomorrow because we got stuff going on. Down here, underway, Matt. No, the hot. So anyway, I love y'all. That's why I'm here, and just wanted to come by and say, hey, it's what time is it? It's 3:48 in the morning here. I'm screwed, dude. I'm screwed. Got to wake up early in like 5 hours, 6 hours. Trying to pass out at Ripple Labs. Oh, I might, dude. That might put me to sleep. Well, here at Ripple Labs, we talk about the technology of Ripple, and it's like, oh man, I can't wait to listen to the technology of Ripple, chat, and it's the future. I'm gonna be like, look at the chart. They all know the chart. They're all cognizant over there of the chart of XRP. All right, that's it, dude. That's it. All right. One more full screen. I swear down, mate. I swear down. This is the first time I've ever worn this in my life, but it's only because people that work there gave me this shirt today, this evening. All right. So, it's been a good time, mate. It's been good. I swear down. We're in down here in London town, isn't it? In it? Yep. Boygashaw. All right. Well, good times. You know, I'll be back at some point. Understand what's going on with the GDP, interest rates, bonds, currency pairs, energy, you know, like supply shortages. It's like almost everything you could ever dream of that's bad is going on. Like, for real. So it's staring you in the face. But it has been that way. The charts have been telling us this for months now. Like, you know it if you watch stream. Like, maybe it's been tougher with crypto because it's been so choppy. But, dude, these equities have been telling us. These index funds have been telling us everything that was coming. And it's playing out, man. It's playing out like a charm. So I'm just going to... I don't have a... Thanks for watching stream. So I'll just be back. So until next time, respect the T. Hey.